Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming what you already have: the Apple device, a phone number linked to your account, and any trusted device nearby. Once that's ready, open Settings or go to Icloud. And choose Forgot Apple ID. Enter the email addresses you regularly used. This narrows the search. Make sure your device is online and not in airplane mode, because recovery needs active network connections to verify identities and send codes to trusted devices or numbers. You now verify identity so Apple can reveal or recover the iCloud account. On a trusted device, accept the two-factor prompt or check your SMS for a code and enter it. If you don't get prompts, use the Apple ID lookup by name and recovery email. It shows possible ID. When verification fails, start account recovery. This sends instructions and a timeline to your contact method. Be patient, because account recovery can take several days to confirm ownership. You finish by resetting the password and signing back into iCloud on all devices. This restores sync and Find My settings. Once done, update your recovery phone and backup email to avoid repeat problems, and enable two-factor authentication if it isn't on. If you still can't access the account, contact Apple support. Have your device serial number and proof of purchase ready. This speeds verification. Otherwise, account recovery may be the only route, and that takes additional time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.